Hello, welcome to Target Patients MD. My name is Steve Bunker, the founder. I made this deck just for you. This is made for medical weight loss practices. It's going to bring you to a new level, kind of educate you on what we do differently than other marketing companies. It's a little bit of everything. Not only is it recommended that you follow these practices, but we implement this on every campaign that we take on. So check out this slideshow. I'm going to share my screen right now. Give me 1 second. You are going to love what you're about to see. Okay, so let's start here. Sell the problem, not the product. Very important. Keep in mind, we're more than just medical weight loss. Gainswave is very popular. Testosterone replacement, red light therapy, IV drip, peptides, P shots, vitamin shot bars. We do it all, and we do it well. Now, your website is the most important asset. The websites that we produce are Google optimized. It's just simply made for SEO. Soon as the website goes live, you're going to see a 400% increase in relevancy than any website out there. Our AI helps with the process, but it's mostly done by our team. And it's everything done is in the USA. We don't outsource. So I'm just going to show you a few websites. This way you just get a little idea on the creativity that we can produce. Now, it's important that you have call to actions like this on your site because you want to collect leads. And if you don't have a form filler, you'll never know who is on your website because they'll just simply leave. So this helps with conversions. You collect a lead, and then we nurture and follow up with that lead. What's also very important is the landing pages that we create. Now, we like to include video because video gets great conversions. You can tell a story and it uses psychology and they see your confidence level. People don't like reading, but they love watching video, and this helps with the conversion. So, our pages that we create are designed to get the booked appointment. Okay. Before and afters, very, very important. Make sure you take your time and do it right. Show a nice setting of a before, a realistic setting of after. Tell them how many pounds they lost and how long it took. It's so important to make this clear. It could make or break a campaign. People love seeing before and afters. Now, the ads that we produce, they gotta pop. They gotta grab attention, or we're just wasting everyone's time. And this is what we do. We're very creative. We have conversion copywriters on staff, medical writers, and we know what grabs attention. Social media proof. Okay. This is your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads. You got to be consistent and it's got to be eye-catching. And it has to be relevant with the procedure that you're offering because it all goes together. What's very important also is call to actions. Having this on your website, schedule an appointment is very important. New patient offers. Give them a little offer, get them in the doors, and then upsell them on a package. But call to actions are very, very important. So this is an exit pop-up. So when they're about to leave your site, it quick pops up and says, wait, before you go, fill this out and get this special. And now you're building a nice newsletter list. And also you're collecting leads. It's very important you include this. Here's another option also. So this can go off. We can set it to go off 10 minutes while they're on your site, or 5 minutes, it'll pop up, or an exit pop up. So it'll say something like 49% off. Oh, let me grab this offer. And they fill out this little questionnaire, which brings a lot of relevance to the table, and it's awesome. And then when they're finished with that short questionnaire, they're going to put their name and their phone number so you can contact them, or you can put email address. And there, you just caught a lead. You have to do this, guys. This is also important. Subscribe to our newsletter. You should always send out a newsletter, email to them once a month. They got a consistent marketing works. So it's very important we collect and have this in maybe one or two spots on your homepage or additional landing pages, but it's very important. Just for an example, when they book a consultation, have them come to a page like this, but notice the headline: free, no obligation consultation call, 10 minutes. So it just tells them, it keeps the worrying away. It's a short call, it's free, there's no obligation. Just those words alone helps conversions. And this is what we're all about. Now, the key strategy of winning when you're doing ads, okay, is having the right keywords. It's got to be solution orientated and goal driven and problem solving. So this is what we're great at, and this is why we get the optimal results. And I listed here the top pay-per-click keywords. There's 20 total, and I put them in categories. And I'm going to send you this so you can have it, take your time and look it over. So if I go too quick, please forgive me. And here's category 3, which is local intent keywords. And this is very important, long tail keywords, question based. These tend to work really good. Now, what I like to do is qualify the leads. They come to your web page and have them take a 3-minute quiz. Do I even qualify? And they start taking the quiz and they're going to answer questions. And in between the questions, they're going to get to know you because you're going to put a little facts about what your practice does and why you're so great. This is a great way to qualify people, and you end up with a lead, which is very important. This is very popular, and this is what we highly suggest. And here's another version. Like a quick 2-minute assessment, and they just take this and fill it out and you'll get great data. It's really recommended. Video testimonials, I couldn't stress the importance of doing this right. Make them professional, put them on YouTube, because YouTube, you're going to get the credit. Google loves YouTube videos, and make it real. People love hearing from other clients. And it's so important, guys. Okay. Last but not least, the blogs. Okay. Answer their questions, earn their trust, book their consultation. Make sure your blogs are relevant and up to date. Again, Google looks at this, it helps with your relevant score. Everything put together that I just discussed is really important for you to succeed. So, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.